Yes, papalabir ng Team Saudi Official at Team Kulits na bumabati ng happy birthday, Ma'am Beshi Berna. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ang wish ko sa'yo, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Yung bang lahat kami patay na, ikaw na naiwan na buhay sa mundo. Mga ganon. Yan, happy birthday, Ma'am Beshi Berna. Happy birthday! Salamat!
Madam Beshi Berna, happy birthday. Wish you more prosperous birthday in your life. Yan. Slice ka lang ng cake dyan and enjoy your day. Just remember we're here, mga YouTube friends mo. We're willing to celebrate your birthdays as well. Ingat lagi and see you around. Okay.
Hello po sa lahat. Mega love shout out po. Ayan, this is Ronel Music Vlog from USA. Ayan, binabati ko po kayong lahat dyan sa aking mga kapatid sa Whitey World, sa Team Saudi Family. Thank you guys. Alright, ayan, Madam Beshi Berna, sa iyong birthday. Wish ko lang po na bigyan po kayo ng malusog na pangatawan at laging masaya always. At alam ko naman na masayahin kayo. Thank you so much. And then and also wishing for your good health always. Ayan, sa iyong pamilya. Sana magiging masaya po kayo palagi. Alright? And then maraming salamat din, ma'am, sa iyong suporta sa akin. Thank you so much for being a friend for the short period of time, but then nafe-feel ko po ang inyong totoong pagkatao at bilang isang kaibigan. Kaya ma'am, mabuhay po kayo hanggat gusto mo, and happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Melasako, guys. I just want to send my wonderful greetings to Beshi Berna. It's her born day now, so be happy, girl, and stay humble all the time. And wish you more happiness in life, more blessing, more friends, more subscribers, and whatever is your dreams, it will come true. And stay humble and kind, and just all the time. I'm happy that I'm your teammate or friends in a white world, as a sisterhood, whatever you have to. I'm happy for you. Again, happy birthday to you, Beshi Berna. Enjoy your life. It's a beautiful life. Just like you, beautiful woman. Shout out to everyone. This is Masako, guys.
Happy birthday dyan sa sa aming napakagandang kaibigan dyan, Ma'am Berna. Ilang taon ka na nga ba? Just forget the number of years. Anyway, nawa ay pagpalayan ka ng ating Diyos na makapangyarihan sa lahat, ng mahaba, masaya, healthy, with prosperity and abundance, lots of friends, lots of money, and everything. And may God bless you always, Madam. At maraming salamat na nakilala kita na napakabait na isang kaibigan. At hindi man gaano tayo kasi pala-absent ako. But hayaan mo lang yung pala-absent ko ako. Basta I wish you the best in life. At pasensya ka na at medyo random ito. Naglalakad ako, may bag pa ako. Paalis ako. At once again, happy birthday, Ma'am Berna. At
hello guys, this is Pretty Angel. Ayan, I just want to greet one of our sister in the SNU Dabarkad Sunday night upuan. Ayan, si Beshi Berna. Happy birthday to you, and many more birthdays to come. You know, Sisi Berna, first time I saw you in YT, parang alangan ako mag-approach kasi parang ang klase ng dating mo, tapos baka hindi mo ko pansinin, ganun. Baka dead mo lang ako, halimbawa ginigreet kita. Kasi may mga ganun na, sorry, yung ginigreet ko, gano'n, yung sinashoutout ko, tapos dead ma, yung gano'n parang nakaka-dala. So, nung nakilala kita with DJ Popoy, ayun, nakita ko naman, okay pala to, hindi naman pala siya yung tipo ng tao na parang ang taas-taas tingnan at parang napaka-classy, pero down to earth ka pala at kalog din. Yan. Nalaman ko lalo nung nagkasama tayo sa SNU Dabarkas. Ayan. So, thank you so much sa Jessie Blue and DJ Poy. And Kuya Vlad, syempre, hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi kita makikilala sa YT. So, salamat, and it's my pleasure to have you as a group and sister in YT. Ayan, thank you so much, and stay pretty and kalog and humble as you are, and sana dumami pang kaarawan ang dumating sa buhay mo, and stay happy and pretty. Ayan, God bless you. Happy birthday.
Hi guys, this is Jessie Blue TV. Magandang buhay po sa inyo lahat. Sa lahat po na nanonood, maingay po ito, kailangan ko po sumigaw ng konti. Jessie Blue TV here. So Madam Beshi Berna, happy birthday sa'yo. Alam mo ba ikaw ang pinaka-gorgeous na nakilala kong babae dito sa YouTube? Diba guys? Madam Beshi, sobrang gorgeous, sobrang ganda. Batiin natin. Happy birthday po. Pero kailangan namin sumigaw, isa pa, mas malakas. Happy birthday po. Madam Beshi Berna, happy birthday. And of course, we love you from your Team Saudi family and Sunday Night of One family. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Stay pretty and stay humble as you are. Bye guys! Madam Beshi, happy birthday!